Did you know that samurai warriors were actually cowards who refused to fight with swords? For centuries, samurai were mounted archers who considered close combat completely dishonorable. They would ride up to battlefields, loudly announce their name and family lineage, then shoot arrows from a safe distance. Getting close enough for sword fighting? That was seen as desperate and shameful. The famous katana was just a backup weapon, like carrying a spare tire. When they had to fight on foot, samurai preferred naginata, long, spear-like weapons that kept enemies far away. The whole honorable sword-dueling image only appeared during the peaceful Edo period in the 1600s. With no real wars to fight, samurai became desk workers and romanticized their weapons. Then Western movies took this fantasy and ran with it. Hollywood created the completely false image of noble sword-wielding warriors. In reality, samurai were pragmatic fighters who avoided fair fights at all costs. They were mounted archers, not honor-bound swordsmen.